are the sounds of the streets.
ಇವತ್ತು 17 ವರ್ಷ ಮುಗಿಸಿ 18 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. 2007 ಜನವರಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರುವ BSMXಗೆ 16 ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 16 ಹೌಸಸ್ ಇಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು 30,000 ಮನೆಗಳು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ರಾಜಣ್ಣ ಮತ್ತು ತಿರುಪತಿ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಇವತ್ತು 30,000 ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ 30,000 ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಓವರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಒಂದು 10,000 ಮನೆಗಳು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಪ್ಕಮಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 15,000 ಮನೆ ಅಂದರೆ 15,000 ಹೌಸಸ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಒಂದು ಖುಷಿ ವಿಷಯ ಏನಂತಂದರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಒಂದು ಆಸೆ ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಯಾರು ರೆಂಟಲ್ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೈಸಲ್ಲಿ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರೋದು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದದಿಂದ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ 30,000 ಒಂದು ಮನೆಗೆ 3 ಜನ ಅಂದರೆ 90,000 ಮನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂದರೆ 90,000 ಜನಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ಗಳು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ನಮಗೆ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ಪು ಜನಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಲಾಭದಾಯಕವಾಗಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ. ನಮಗೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಗಳು ಬಂದಾಗ ಎಸ್ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಜನ BSMX ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರು ನಂಬ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರು ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಏನೊಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇವತ್ತು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ BSMX ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇದೇ ಒಂದು ಸಾಕ್ಷಾತ್ ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ರೆಫರೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ಬೋದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಇವಾಗ ಅಂದರೆ 23 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಜೂನಿಂದ ಈ ಮೇವರೆಗೂ 1100 ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸು ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಲಕ್ಕಿ ದೀಪಕ್ಕೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ವೆರಿ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟಬಲ್, ಪಾರದರ್ಶಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವೇ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಬಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಮುಂದೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಆ ಲೈವ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 30 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಹೌಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಐಟಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, 20 ಜನಕ್ಕೆ 2 ವೀಲರ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಕಾರು. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೃಷ್ಟ ಬಂದು ಯಾರು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಫ್ರೀ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಮನೆ 2 ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಹೌಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ದೇವರ ಹತ್ರ ಪ್ರೇ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ಬರು ಇರ್ತೀರಿ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಏನು ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ನಾನು ನಮ್ಮ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡಿದಾಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ₹1 ಕೊಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಮರ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 2 ಬೆಡ್ರೂಮ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ಅಣ್ಣತಮ್ಮರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ನಮ್ಮ ತಂದೆನ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ, ಯಾರು ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್, ಈ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಅದು ಪತ್ನಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ತಾಯಿ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅಕ್ಕ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾರೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ಪತ್ನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ 2 BHK ಮನೆ ಫ್ರೀಯಾಗಿ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಸೋಷಿಯಲ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಮಾಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಕಿದ್ವಾಯಿ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮೂಲೆ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಕಣ್ಣಿನ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದೇನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಮಾಜಿಕವಾಗಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ. ನಮ್ಮದು ಒಂದು ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, KVH ಚಾರಿಟಬಲ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ 25 ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅನಾಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವರು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅವ್ರು ಸೇರಿದ್ದು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಈ ವಾರ್ಷಿಕೋತ್ಸವ 18 ವರ್ಷಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಆಶೀರ್ವಾದ ಆಗಿರಲಿ. ನಾವು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ಅವರ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಣ್ಣ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ರಾಜಣ್ಣ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಅಣ್ಣ, ಹಾಗೂ ತರುಣ್ ಬ್ರದರ್ಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್, ಶ್ರೀನಿವಾಸ್ ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್. ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ. ಈಗ ನಾವು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಿತಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ತುಂಬ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗೆ ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸೋದು ಅಂತ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು, ಧನ್ಯವಾದ, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
Good evening to the most 100% dedicated team. Good evening. And good evening to the most loyal customers here. Over 1100 families sitting here. Good evening to everybody. You guys are a brand. You guys as a team, as a customers, have built this organization. These numbers, what the anchors are telling, everybody is so proud to tell it. It's because of all these customers and all the team members who are built it. This is brand. The brand is like this. Today, anywhere we purchase a land for a project and we put a small board there, it is nice. In about 1 month to 2 months, the land prices there goes up 100%, 200%. Same way when we launch projects, the brand is so good, it is like a landmark. When we launch Sky Samman, Sky Sabra, when we launch these projects, everybody when they talk, they say near to Sky Sabra, near to Sky Samman. It is a landmark which we are building it, and the secret here is the team and the customers. So I will not talk about numbers. I will not talk about anything connected to the brand. Today, I'll speak to you about a small feeling which is very strong with the team, with the customers. It's a relationship. What customers have for us and we have for the customers. Generally, it is love. Yeah, with love, we build out of romance. And from romance, we get a lot of result. What we get? The result what we get out of it. Now, when we say love, we get a beautiful example of God. God loves us. Whatever we ask, however we are asking, we get it. Just in case we don't get it, still we have the relationship with God. Maybe He will live. But sometimes He will give it to us. Just in case He is not giving, we know that He still loves us. Maybe this is not the right way. He is going to give us something much better. Love. God. Same thing if you see, when we love ourselves, maybe some people don't know this, but the way they handle themselves about their body, what they eat, how they take care of themselves, that's something love which they give. One we see God, one we see personality, the way we take care of ourselves. The love, romance, what we take care of ourselves. Now we just say, when we take care of our body, sometimes we see that body doesn't support us. But still, we love our body. We will invest a lot on it, but we make sure we will take care of it. Hope you all agree with this. Same way, company. The love what we get from the customers is what I say. From the team, what I say. The love, that affection what we get. Now, some people will say, what love? We pay money, we get our home. But deeply when I see this one with my customers, if we have to evaluate 5 important decisions in life, something which you are very sharply, very intelligently you have taken, I think one is your partner, your children, your family, right decision. The second most important thing I did, business or job what you're doing. Because from there, that kind of income how we will fulfill your wishes is good. If you have to write it down, any other thing which is very interesting for you, the third thing, the fourth thing, or the fifth thing, it is a little difficult. You have to take any right decisions or something very apart from your taking. I think that's where it comes is home. Home. The moment you have a home, and that is from a brand, DS Max, it's a prestige. It's a brand which says, I have a home from there. We also take it the same way, the kind of land we selected, the elevations, detailing what we take care, the specifications, the vastu what we work with, the amenities what we work with, the interior or facility management what we take care. We make it sure your home is very expensive. Same way if you see the price also. Anything which you have taken it at 50 lakh, 60 lakh, today it is 1 crore 20 lakhs, 1 crore 40 lakhs, nothing less than that. So it is a right decision that some investment which you have done is that you get that kind of a return. Now, yes, job, I understand it's the right decision. Yes, partner, having children, it's the right decision. But this is something, having owning a home is another most important decision. And I think that's why the love is something which we get as unbelievable. I see some families have booked with us, taken 100 plus units, some like 70, 80, even more than 100. I mean, that love, what the organization gives, the product, what they commit, that they work on it. But this love remains, if you have understood, one thing what we see is that 10% of people, 90% what we're talking about, it's all good. This is happening in the team also. But the 10%, any idea what happens with the 10% of people? Little unhappy. Little de-branding happens. So here when we see 90% branding happens, we see 10% de-branding. Now this de-branding happens with the God also. You agree with it? A lot of people will change the God also, if required. Yes? De-branding happens in the family also. The amount of time we spend, brother, sister, yes, a lot of time we spend. 90% is good, but 10% de-branding happens. With the family also you see. So what I expect and what I teach we feel, if we can take from this occasion, we're branding, we're building numbers, we're building an organization. Organization which can give quality homes, can take care of the services, can take care of the prices. Right away, whatever your investment is, becomes 100% extra, brought by 2 years to 4 years time. The returns are very high. But what we have to take care of is, can we avoid de-branding? If you see some customer there, you are branding, but when it is coming, can we avoid that? Same thing we can do at family also. Today when we go home, if anything from your family point of view de-branding happens, can we control it? You're very happy with your family, but the 10% that you have here and there, can we control that? With the sister, with the brother, or with your family member, can we do that? So we do the same with the organization. Why? All your investment, the returns what you can get and which can be saved is your company. You invest on 1 lakh or you invest on 10 lakh. It's the organization which will be able to take care and see that your income, whatever you have invested, becomes 100% in about 3 years too. Sometimes the job also people like we will make it sure that we will design it that we will do. To do that, we spend the course of the days to build a team what you see here so that they can give you the best service. Right? 365 days. Any given time, we build a team. We make it sure that team is giving you that kind of service. So can we take this? That we only build, we only brand, and we make it sure that no way the deep And I'll make it sure you will build 25 lakh homes. We'll make it sure that those kind of homes will be you people here. I would like to honor a similar team here who is 7 days, 24 hours, 365 days on your service. When I'm going to all of them here, you will know that. I said 24 hours. I said 7 days. I said 365 days. Right? Tomorrow, any small issue you have, don't even just call them, speak here. Come on, we are available. We will make it sure we will keep you happy. And if you want to be happy, that's the only job that we have. That's the only responsibility we carry. We will make it sure we do our best. Alright? I would like to invite 24 hours, 7 days, 65 person who is all the time on your own service, making sure you are very happy. Let's like to call Diamond here. From 2007 till now, number of projects we have done, we made it sure there is no legal issues. If you go into the city legal, you see, you will not say one project got stopped. That is our commitment to the country. You will not see anywhere in the market, guarantee. They may tell you some points. This person makes it sure that your government will invest in this project. So anytime any other issue also can be catch. He is available all the time. 24 hours available and a better service. No excuses. There is no story. It is only that we give you something better. With this all political drama, you will see that market lot of changes here and there, but no excuses. We value your investment. When you invest at 50 lakhs, we know that it should be 1 crore 20 lakhs. It should be 1 crore 40 lakhs. We will make it sure that you will be in future. Alright? Like you already here. Can I call Mr. Pacific Kumar here on the stage? So, this is another person from Anapane. He is available for you 24 hours. Our office is open 365 days. He's another director and also a CFO. Now, you know in a family of 4, managing finances is how difficult it is. You agree with it? But this person, we give a lot of responsibility. All of a sudden, with a couple of crores, we say, we are launching a project. The next day morning, he comes and he says that we have invested a couple of crores like this and he will not know what to do. But then the way he manages it. So, multiple projects to manage, there the finances to organize is not easy. And for you, anything connected to finance is available 24 hours, 7 days, 365. Chase is available, he will always be available. And I think all the countries are very much familiar with him is because he is making sure he is connected with every project. Every project he is connected with. Customers should feel safe. Same with the team which I see in the organization, all the departments always in touch. Amazing, amazing person. I'd like to call Mr. Shivashankar.
big round of applause and a big salute from Usher. This is Continuous Match. I request each of you just say 2 words on this.
Proud moment and encouraging the motivation of our people. He has meant to fulfill the desire, dream home for middle class and weaker sections. Thank you very much for honoring all these occasions. Thank you.
Very long applause for beautiful flowers.
ಅದೃಷ್ಟವಂತರು ಯಾರು ಅಂತ ಕಾದು ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಒಂದು ಮನೆ ಜೊತೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮನೆ ಯಾರಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಬಾಕ್ಸು ಈಗ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Okay, wish you a happy birthday to Satish. Yeah, then we have a group photo with all winners. Please be on stage only. So, thank you to stage for the other winner. I request all the winners to please stay on stage. Now, the group photo, please. All the lucky winners of Captain Contest, please stay on stage for a group photo.
I wish to pray in this is someone who gets 1%.
Ready to announce.
Yes! 2024. Yes! 2024. Yes, 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 2024. Winner of the 2 BHK. Winner of the 2 BHK. In this hall, one person is there. I don't know anyone, but I know. You don't know because I have a copy. I want to announce. Come on, pray for the Lord. I can say the project name is DS Lay Sumo. Come on, please guys, stay wow, testimony project. The woman of the testimony.
Any guesses? Any guesses from Saisumam?
Testimony project is the testimony project.
Can you all get up?
Please get up. Testimony project. Okay. I want to announce the name of the winner. Music up. The owner name of the plant. Again, Ulta, okay? Again, Ulta. Name of this is okay? Ulta. Ulta, okay? That was Anybody can guess it? Anyone can guess it? Are you? The battle has been hold out. 7, 1, 1, 1. 1117 the plant number is 1117. Who can do that? Who can do that? The plant number is 217. Ladies and gentlemen, the moment of the truth. The winner of the 2 BHK is from DS Night Sky Sumo. Reggie Shaw, flight number 117. 117. Reggie Shaw from Sky Sumo.
Let's all wish for us, ourselves, this students to back the next generation. Congratulations, man. Once again, for all of us here on the stage. I request Mr. Satish sir and Mr. I think it's all you to please go.
It's a great privilege to have a nice time with you and really next step. Actually, I don't know what to say. I think I got this.
I think she has something to say. The most happy person ever on earth right now.
You can talk, you can see, you can dance. Who want to be comfortable with the lucky winner? And the big round of applause for the lucky winner of Flat Puppy Contest 2024. Actually, for winning the 2 BHK.
Yes, go ahead.
They're happy to see that actually they're going to flat also. When they're in some doubtful stages, he was doing some assurance that nothing to get ready. And especially he was also found out by the outlier. He assured lots of things and a special thanks to the country.
You won this because of we have Lakshmi at home, and congratulations once again.
The Karuna.
Well, this is definitely a very big surprise. We never thought this would happen, but all our life will pick up our feet. Thank you so much, DS Max. It's a wonderful pleasure to be with you guys. Very good. Thank you.
Yeah, everyone, good morning. Are the winners present?
We want each and every winner to please join for the picture. Each and every one. Each and every winner we have on the stage, I request all to please join for the group picture. Congratulations once again to the one that won the only lucky winner we have on the stage. Make some noise!
Requesting all the everyone to please stay on the stage.
Everybody, I request everybody to please join on the stage and let's go. It's a moment to celebrate. So why do you want to do yoga? This moment to celebrate cake cut Can we have everybody's presence here, please?
And along with the lucky winners, we are going to celebrate the DS Max anniversary by cutting the cake. I request the chairman and our chairman to please come forward and all the lucky winners to be present. This is celebration. This is DS Max anniversary and this is Flight Party 2024. A big round of applause for all the lucky winners.
Once again, it's not just a business, but it's more than anything.
Let's do the final we can take a camera. Let them present it. Yeah, present it.
So we have introduced to
Please come.
the crowd, everyone please join together to celebrate this moment. Everybody together, please. I request the dignitaries also please join us. The cake cutting.
Come on, happy anniversary! Come on, guys!
DS Max celebrating 18th year of celebration, 18th year of anniversary. Congratulations!
Come on, guys! Come on!
Music. The more success to go, more years to go, with all everybody's support we have.